Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. It is that time again. We are going to be unbagging my Ipsy bag for the month of March. Now, y'all know I love Ipsy. It is honestly one of, if not my favorite subscription box, beauty subscription box that is out there on the market right now. I actually remembered to take advantage of choosing some of the products that come in my bag. The last few months, I totally slacked. I wasn't even doing the unbaggings on my channel, but I am back because I love Ipsy and I love sharing with you guys what I got in my bags. Hashtag not sponsored, hashtag not affiliated. I pay for this all on my very own with my own very hard-earned money. And I just like sharing with you guys what I got in my bag. So as always, as we're going along, comment down below your thoughts on the products that I've gotten. I love hearing your guys' thoughts and interacting. And of course, share your opinions on your Ipsy bag or if you're even a part of Ipsy. So comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. Let's go ahead and just jump right into it. The first item, which is so cool, I love that this is in an Ipsy bag. This is from a brand called Marmalade. I have seen them all over Instagram like a gazillion times. These are glue on or press on nails. This is in the shade Aria. They are square and with a matte silk finish. So here's what they look like. Now this was one of the choices, and when I saw this I was like, oh my goodness, yes. I actually really enjoy press on, glue on nails. I'm a huge fan of the clutch nails, which, hold on, I have a set right here in front of me that I haven't even used yet. So I get in the mood to do my nails every once in a while. If I'm not painting them, I do like to jazz things up a bit and use a nice temporary set. So this is really exciting to see in here. And I do like that these are glue and not the little press-on sticky pads. Those never work for my nail beds. I don't know what it is, and it really sucks because I've heard such good things about those. They just don't work for me. So I am glad that these are the glue-on nails. Plus, I find that the glue tends to last a bit longer. So I'll have to keep you guys posted. Let me know if you have tried any of the Marmalade nails before and which ones are your favorite. All right, so the next product in here is a liquid glow highlighter from ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I have mine in the shade Perla. This looks absolutely gorgeous. I have actually really wanted to try this formula for quite some time. In fact, since it actually launched, I think it was like 2 years ago now they launched this formula. So this is just like a champagne gold shade, which of course is right up my alley. And why not? We'll just add a little bit of this to the highlight that I already have on my face. So I'll just swatch this too, just so you can kind of get an idea of the shade. But oh my goodness, look at the reflect on that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Now for a liquid highlighter, I want something that doesn't dry down. Wow, caught me off guard at how intense it is. I like something that doesn't dry down too quickly, that I can just quickly blend on to my face. That is beautiful. And what I like also about a liquid highlighter is that they're so nice for when you just want to have dewy skin in the summer. You don't want to put on a lot of makeup. It's really hot and humid, and you just want to dab on a little bit of a liquid highlighter. I do have some setting powder on my face, which will definitely affect how this actually spreads out on the face, but I do think the color is absolutely beautiful, and I cannot wait to play with it more because, again, I mean, seriously, look at that reflect. Absolutely gorgeous. So that is a really awesome product to get in this bag. Let's go ahead and move on to the next product. This is from MOTD. This is a set of makeup brushes. Now, you know, I will never pass up on a set of brushes because I am lazy as hell and I hate washing makeup brushes. So for me, the more brushes, the better. This looked like a really nice set. I loved the color of these. This one does have some nice different brushes in it. So this one right here is just like your typical shadow brush. You also have a contour brush. So this one is perfect for doing like some nose contour, that business right there, or just simply contouring out the eyes, wherever you want to add some shadow and contour. We we have a tapered contour crease brush. So obviously in the crease of your eye. We also have right here a smoky detailer brush. These types of brushes I don't use a ton. Maybe I need to experiment with this type of brush a little bit more. It's just that this brush shape is just not something I generally reach for. And then last but not least, my favorite type of brush, which is, they call this one Miss Shady Lady, but this is like a tapered crease shading brush. Oh my goodness, if you have hooded eyes, these are the best types of brushes. Like, I can't get enough. So I am so happy to see this in here. I think I'm most excited for the contour and then this brush right here, the come through contour brush. So these two are bomb. I'm super excited. So that is a really cute little eye contour set. So far, we are 3 for 3. I am super happy with what I've gotten so far. All right, the second to last item we have from Ofra. This is one of their liquid to baked and smoothing blushes. Liquid to baked, that's interesting. This is in the shade Bellini. It says this blush is created with our liquid to bake tech. Just like our highlighters, which make it smoother and even more pigmented, ideal for fair skin tones and buildable for medium skin tones. It says you can apply these wet or dry with a powder or blush brush to the cheeks. For a sun-kissed look, swipe across the bridge of the nose. So right off the bat, I already know I'm gonna like the shade of this. Peach blushes are pretty much my absolute favorite. I like the packaging of this. This is really sleek. Let's go ahead and get some of this blush on the cheeks. Why not? I'm just gonna take this Moda brush right here. This is an angled brush. I don't know where the liquid formula comes in. I think that's what they mean, that you can use this dry or as a liquid product, but we're just gonna try it dry. I'm just gonna put that right over my highlight. Ooh, that is a gorgeous color. See, I knew it. I knew that this would work for me. Peachy tones are my freaking jam. I really don't reach for any other type of blush shade. Every once in a while, like more of like a rosy or a mauve blush. But oh my goodness, look at that. Let's put a little bit on the nose as well. That is stunning. This has got to be the prettiest blush I have ever gotten in a makeup subscription. Oh my, and it blends beautifully. It didn't take much effort at all, and it just gives you, oh my gosh, the most beautiful, diffused, blown out blush look. All right, Ofra, I am sad that it took me this long to try your blush. I am sorry. I apologize. I hope you can forgive me, because this formula, first impression, oh my goodness, it's a force to be reckoned with. All right, let's move on to the very last item in my bag. This is the Good Lighting Highlighter Duo. This one says this is a Luxe Cream to Powder Soft Focus Highlighter. So I think we're on a bit of a roll here with the cream or cream to powder type formulas. We have the ABH liquid highlighter. We've got this liquid to baked blush. And now we've got this highlighter right here. I've gotten a few complex culture things in my bags before, and I actually really like them. I got an eyeshadow palette, which is so soft and stunning. I haven't really talked about it much on my channel, and I definitely need to, because it is beautiful. I've also gotten a couple of their brushes as well, and they are heavenly. They feel so luxe, such high quality. So I'm really excited about this product right here. Here is what the compact looks like. It comes with 2 different shades on the inside. We have the shade Lucid, and then we have the shade Afterglow. We've got a really nice quality mirror, and we have 2 beautiful highlight shades. Stunning. Let's go ahead and do a swatch. Now, it's so funny because shades like this look so dark in the pan, but then when you swatch them, like, look at, it's really not that dark. These 2 shades would totally work on my skin. Are we gonna build up more highlighter? Yes, we are. We're definitely going to do it. I'm just going to use that same blush brush that I just used a moment ago, and I'm going to pick up both shades and mix it up, and we're just going to layer it right on top of what we already put down. See? Beautiful. At this point, I probably can't tell what this highlighter is really doing, because I have it layered on top of like 9,000 different highlighters, but you know what? More is more, as Tati used to say. My eyebrows being unruly. More is more. I'm glowing to the gods. NASA, can you see me? We're into outer space. But nice formula, beautiful shades, as you can see, super reflective, beautiful compact, blended effortlessly. I can't complain. So I would have to say that I am 100% thoroughly ecstatic and excited about every single product that I got in the bag this month. It's been a while since I've had a bag like this. Don't get me wrong, I usually am pretty much satisfied, anywhere from like 80 to 90% happy with what I get, but this is like 100%. I am stoked about every single product that came in this bag, and what I love about it is the mix of product. Having these press-on nails in here is so cool. I think we need to see more of this, especially in a time where we are still just not going out as much. There's, you know, we still have a mask mandate, at least in the state that I'm in. Things just don't really feel comfy quite yet. And I think that putting this kind of stuff in bags, I wish it would have been done sooner, is a really cool concept. I think it's great. We've got an accessory like this. We got the brushes, the glowy highlighters. Yes, I ended up with 2 highlighters because of the choices that I made. I wanted that. I love highlights. I'm obsessed. I can't get enough of them. So that was really my choice. And then this beautiful blush from Ofra. Oh my goodness, this blush shade is just stunning. It is doing everything I need for my cheeks right now. I am obsessed with this formula. Just thumbs up, A+, A+. This would go from 99% to 100% if Ipsy would just give me back my damn makeup bag. Sorry, you guys, I'm never gonna get over this. I don't know if I mentioned it in the beginning of the video or went on about it, but I really miss the makeup bags. These drawstring things, I mean, let's be real. This looks like a home ec project. I talked about this in my last Ipsy video. I'm not even kidding you. When I was like in 6th grade, Mrs. Powell, I remember her name. I was in home ec. It was a home economics. I don't even know if it was called home ec. I think it was like family and planning learnings. I don't even remember what freaking name they gave it. But nonetheless, we had this sewing project and we actually got to use sewing machines, and we made backpacks that looked like this, except larger, but a backpack. And I even remember the freaking fabric print I had. It was like a light periwinkle blue color, and it had these red ladybugs on it. It was so god awful, and I loved it at the time. And now I think about it, I'm like, that is so ugly. But come on, I was like 12. Whatever. But I still remember to this day making that bag exactly what it looked like, and I was pretty proud of myself. My backpack did turn out pretty damn good. Not to toot my own horn, but I don't want any more home ec projects as a bag for my Ipsy thing. As I stated, leave a comment down below and let me know what you got in your bag. Did you love your products? Have you been able to take advantage of choosing your products for the month? I know some people say they have some problems with it, they can't get in, but I use the app. I feel like the app is so stinking easy. You can go in there and it's like boom, 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 one and done. You can review your products there. Again, this is not sponsored. This is not an ad. I'm not affiliated. I'm just sharing with you guys my experience, and I just find that the Ipsy app makes it so much easier. Before I go, look what I picked up today. My sister actually got one of these, and I was like, you bitch, where the hell did you get that? Like, I need it. And she was like, oh, it was at my Target. And they actually had a smaller size, which I personally haven't seen before. And I'm talking about this as if you guys know what this is. Maybe you don't. This is a Starbucks mug. And I have a problem collecting these. I don't know why I'm going on about this right now. And if you're still here listening, leave your favorite emoji down below because I'm on a rant right now. But this thing is so gorgeous. I mean, really, can you guys see like the iridescence and how this is reflecting? I have never been so proud of something in my entire life. You know, I have this mug and I feel like I've made it in life. Like, this is just, it's not a mug, it's a cold cup. They're cold cups, they call them. But this is their 50th anniversary one. And on my lunch break today, I went to go pick up my typical oat milk latte with my 2 pumps caramel, 1 pump cinnamon, decaf of course. And I saw they had this as I was leaving, and I looked and my eyes like zoned in on it, and I was like, girl, you've got 400 points in the Starbucks app. You can get that freaking cup for free. And I did. So here it is. I'm proud of it. It's so beautiful. It's stunning. It's a beauty queen. We absolutely love it. And I'm obsessed. So anyways, I'm done now. I'm going to hop off camera. It's Friday. I'm going to go get my weekend started. I'm going to go do some shopping. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. If you made it this far, I love you so much. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.